The quant topics that you must master or be good at when it comes to SAT. Now, once again, this answer is going to be broken up into two kinds of students. In case you're a student for whom quant is going to be an area of strength, you are basically looking at QA DI में at least 16 to 18 marks लाना. मतलब अगर मेरे को 16 to 18 लाना है, let's say for example मेरे को 16 मार्क लाना है, तो मेरे को at least 22 तो अटेम्प्ट करने होंगे. 4 अगर गलत भी हो गए, 18 राइट 4 रॉन्ग, I'm about 16 17 के आसपास. So 22 attempts out of 28. अगर मेरे को 18 19 लाना है, my attempts automatically move to about 25 26. That means I am looking at least 80 to 85% of the paper being attempted. If I have to attempt 80 to 85% of the paper, you basically need to be able to handle every single part of it. Now we know 8 to 10 questions DI से आएंगे, तो obviously DI में calculation intensive generally mostly sets होते हैं. Logic पे ज्यादा stress नहीं होता. There could be a little bit of stress but not a lot. When it comes to quant, the distribution generally is fair across the entire board, which means arithmetic algebra, which used to take about 65-70% space when it came to CAT, will take anywhere about 55-60% here. And each of the remaining, which is geometry, modern math and numbers, you can expect roughly around 2-3 questions. Matlab, close to about 8 or 9 questions out of the 18 would come from here, and the remaining 10 questions could come from arithmetic and algebra. That will be the breakup. Hence, my recommendation is don't really leave anything. On the flip side, if you're going to be one of those जिसके लिए ये section is not the key, you are basically targeting cutoff and maybe a couple of marks more than that, then what you're looking for is about 10-11 marks. So that's a difference of almost about 6-7 marks or maybe 8 marks from a person for whom this is an area of strength. आपका focus DI पे होना चाहिए. You need to aim to ensure कि कम से कम 2 DI सेट निकाल लिया और 5 से 6 मार्क DI में आ गया. अगर वो हो गया, then in the remaining quant, all you need is about 5 to 6 marks. There, your concentration on arithmetic algebra can save you once again if you did that very well in CAT. But my recommendation will be numbers के questions, basics of geometry. If you do polygons and you do circles, basic एकदम, little bit of mensuration, and उसके साथ if you've done absolute basics of probability and permutation combination will help. Now ये सुन के लगेगा सब कुछ ही तो बोल दिया, पर मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, मैं सब कुछ करने को बोल रहा हूँ पर इन डेप्थ नहीं. PNC and probability L1 question. Numbers का आप factors, remainders, basic funda behind classification of numbers पे focus करो. And when it comes to geometry, only polygons and circles and basic mensuration, even if it is just about 2D and a little bit of 3D like cones, cylinder and sphere. I think that should suffice and you should feel confident enough of getting the score that you desire. All the best.